How to turn a normal photo into a 3D figure via AI prompt. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, what you can simply do is launch Google Gemini or any of the other AI tools over here. Then what you simply need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and simply select on gallery to select a particular picture. So I'm going to select a particular picture over here and then tap on add. And here simply paste the prompt over here. So let's tap on the prompt and you can send it. So here is the prompt that I have used. So you can just customize it or change it according to your convenience as well. So simply with this prompt we get a 3D figure. So let's wait and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So let's scroll down and there you go, we have a 3D realistic figure over here on Google Gemini. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.